Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have kind of an exciting video. So on Instagram I've been seeing all these celebrities and influencers and all those type of people promoting teeth whitening kits, and I always wondered if they really worked. I got a kit from Shine. It's a professional teeth whitening kit, and I've seen really good reviews about it, and it's supposed to be anti-sensitivity, which is a big issue for me because when I use the crush strips, my teeth get super sensitive. It's really painful for like a day or two after, so it's definitely not worth the whitening. But I thought I would try this kit for 5 days to see if it's really real and if it actually works. And Shine was nice enough to give me a coupon code for 15% off to give you guys, so I'm gonna put that right here. It's just my name, Noah. Let's see if this thing actually works. Today is the first day. This is what the box looks like. I'll show you what it comes inside. So first, there's just instructions. There's a little diagram so you can like track the color of your teeth. And then there's 2 boxes that come in here. In the first one, there's like the actual teeth whitening appliance thing, and then just the cords to attach it. And it also comes with like a little travel case if you're doing it on the go. And then in the second box, there is 2 syringes of gel. So each one comes with 2, and you can buy refills on the website, and this one is mint flavor, so let's try it. So the instructions say you want to wash your mouth out first, which I already did, and then it says to take the gel and the mouthpiece. It says you want to apply the gel to the upper and lower walls of the mouthpiece, so I'm going to do that. And so then you place it in your mouth and you bite down lightly. It comes with really cool cords so you can attach it to your phone. So I'm going to put it in my mouth and then plug it into my phone. Okay, they look white. I don't know if they look whiter than they did before, but we're gonna do this for 4 more days and we'll see some results. Okay, so I just took it out. I don't know if they look any whiter yet. The company said that it takes like 4 to 5 days to see like real results. So we're gonna keep trying and see what happens. So today is day 3. And I have to leave for work in like an hour, so I figured I would try using this while getting ready because everyone says it's so easy, so thought we would test that. I'm setting my timer for 10 minutes and then I'm gonna start getting ready. gonna go rinse out my mouth and then we will look at my teeth. Okay, so today is only day 3. I think they look decently white, so I'm starting to really like this, and my teeth aren't sensitive at all, which is amazing. So let's see what happens on day 5, I guess. Currently 12:35 in the morning. I would say I was busy and being productive with stuff, but I was down in a deep hole of TikToks. But it is technically day 4, and we are going to whiten our teeth. So my timer is set for 10 minutes and we're gonna do it. So I just took the thingy out. I definitely notice a difference. This is the 4th day. I mean, they definitely look a lot whiter, so I'm excited to see what they're gonna look like after tomorrow. Now it's time to say goodnight to the baby. Hey guys, so today is day 5. I'm about to plug this baby into my phone and we will do our last session little thing. Okay, so I just finished. They definitely look whiter, so for reference, when I started I was a 4 and now I'm a 2. So my teeth got 2 shades whiter, which is crazy because it's only been 5 days. So I would definitely recommend getting this. So with that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to use my code for 15% off, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.